guys, it's me KristinCena. Welcome to my channel and also welcome for another episode of Lookfantastic Unboxing. I have unboxings in my channel. I have Bella Box and Lookfantastic Unboxing, and I've got like 2 Fridays left because I always upload every Friday, and I just had to insert one unboxing because I probably would upload the Bella Box unboxing on the last Friday of this month. I would prioritize the Lookfantastic one because the last November I wasn't able to give you a Lookfantastic unboxing. It's because I had delivery issue. It's so annoying. I moved from Perth to Darwin, so I'm now in Darwin, and there's just a change of address, and somehow the Australia Post couldn't redirect it here. So here is the box. This is the December box, guys. I love this. I love the red. It's really in time for Christmas, and this is kind of in a theme with their advent calendar. Their boxes are really good. It's something that you don't want to throw away, so I have been keeping the boxes, kind of like collecting it. I created this look with the help of like 3 items from the box, so without further ado, let's open the box. Ready? Yay! So here is the Lookfantastic Beauty Magazine. You will see here all the things that was in your box, and it actually gives you tips on how to use it, and also like whatnots, beauty tips and all that. And next we have Elle magazine. Every month you will receive, like I've been having the Elle magazine, and it's so good because you just have something to read on. Here is the actual box. It's in this gold packaging, gold wrap. Okay. Smells good. Here is the whole box, guys. I'm gonna show them to you one by one. This is so lavishly prepared. That's what I like about this. Like, you can even see here, like, look at the box. It's so pretty. But sometimes I kind of think that's such a waste of butter, a waste of paper. Well, okay, so let's start with something. This is the Ilia Masca Hydra Veil Hydrating Gel Hydraton. This one is designed to hydrate, not only to hydrate skin, but to provide long-lasting wear for makeup application. This is a primer, guys. Applies a primer for a dewy finish, and that's actually the reason why I don't have makeup on, because I want to try each of the products. That's what I do in my unboxing. I try as much as I can in front of the camera. So Ilia Masca, I think it's like a premium brand somewhere in UK. Here is the product, guys. Black cute packaging. That's really nice. Ooh, look at that. It's really a gel. It's my first time to use a primer gel. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of that. Not too much, probably just. I think this primer is so good if you have dry skin, since this is hydrating, or if you have dehydrated skin. Next item that I'm gonna show you is this Lookfantastic sponge. This looks exactly like my sponge. I did not expect it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my sponge that I'm using right now. It is from the brand Etude, and here it is. I actually forgot to wash it, but look at that. They are kind of similar. Oh, this has faded a little. It's because I've been using it for quite a while now. And or maybe just there's a hint like this has a darker pink color. It's kind of stiff. I will use this to put on foundation on my face, and actually I am going to use a new foundation. So it's my first time to use this, and it's actually, this is the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours. Let me try this one out. This is in the color Soft Bronze 34. I'm done with my foundation, and I've already put on blush on my face and also lipstick. And I can say that the Liamaska, the primer right here, it is not minimizing the pores on my face. So this is really just good for girls or ladies or people out there, not just ladies, people out there who has really dry skin and got really patchy skin when they have their makeup on. So, but it's not my tea. I don't like it for me. Well, I still don't know because it's just a first impression, guys, and I don't know, later it might hold on to my makeup a lot better than my primer. I have the Benefit and the e.l.f. one. Next makeup item that I'm gonna show you is this Karl Lagerfeld Model Co. So Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. collabed in this. And if you don't know, Karl Lagerfeld is actually the creative director of Fendi and Chanel. I don't know how much these products are, but I'm gonna tell you guys after this video. That's the thing about this, they don't put it in their beauty magazine how much the products are, so I have to really search for it. This is brow pencil in medium or dark, which is pretty good. I'm glad that they got this because, I mean dark, because I have really dark brows. And just look at that tip. It's kind of like a crayon. So I'm not good at brows, guys. As you can see, I have not even shaped my brows. But I know there are girls out there who also is like me. So practice makes it perfect. So let's start. So I just put on really lightly on my brows. It is so creamy on the brows, and I just like tap it really lightly, like draw a little bit like strands there, and it really is good. And it's actually kind of like same color with my eyebrows, which is amazing. Very nice. I like this. We're done with the cosmetics. So now I'm gonna show you guys this this is the fourth product. It's this pomegranate superfood brightening eye serum. Yay, this is from Dr. Botanicals brand. Apply in the morning and evening onto clean dry skin around the eye area. Use ring finger for the lightest pressure. I do more on skincare than makeup because, you know, I'm still like on my journey in makeup world. So bear with me, or maybe just join with me. Here is the eye serum. I really like it. It's in this pink color, and it comes in these drops. Look at that. Just one drop, and let me just feel it. So there's no smell at all. So that is good, because I don't have eye serum right now, and that is really perfect. That's the thing that I like about subscription boxes, because there are just some things that you don't have and they send it to you. I like that one too. And the fifth item, guys, we have Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. This is an exfoliating pre-wash treatment, specially formulated to care for the skin beneath your hair, helping to remove impurities that block the pores and disrupt hair and scalp health. Okay, so this is something that you use before you put on your shampoo, which is really good. I needed that. Well, my shampoo right now has a no build-up formula, but my conditioner might be building up something on my scalp. Oh, it's like a lotion, but it has something in it. If you can see, there's like a granule there that you still have to really massage it on your scalp to really so that's interesting. For the last item, we have here Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Why do you need a deep sleep pillow spray? That's so strong. It's musky. Okay, I'm gonna try this tonight if this one really works. And if you are someone who needs deep sleep, maybe for your day off, this might be good, but I still cannot say, guys, because I haven't used it. I am actually not that happy about this one. Like, I expected a lot, like maybe they would give like a really posh product for this month because it's December, guys. It's Christmas, time for giving, but yeah, not too bad. I think I like the birthday box more. Yeah, I will link it down below or link it up here if you want to see me unbox that one. So that completes this video. Those are the 6 premium items that I received for this Christmas. I think I would give this month a rate of 6 out of 10. Yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It would mean so much to me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!